Welcome to Designing Graphics. Today's Canva design is this flyer for a cafe opening. So let's go. Now once you're on Canva, select flyer from these options here. This one is an A4 paper size. I'll start with a photo of a cafe for the background. I want the color scheme to be brownish like coffee, so I'm using this dark brown for the background. The image is, however, a bit towards grey, so let's change that. Go to Edit Image and select Filters. I'm choosing this bronze filter to warm up the image. Good. Now let's add a gradient on top of this. Search for Off-White Gradient in the Elements tab, resize to fit over the cafe image and change the color to the same dark brown. Great, now this looks like one single photo. Now I'll be adding the cafe name. I've taken a random name and logo. Add a rectangle, change its color and position towards the top left corner. I'm using this coffee bean as a logo placeholder. Let's add the cafe name. Now as I want to keep a brown monochromatic scheme, I'll use a very light brown for the text and logo. There's actually not much to say. I'll use the same light brown for all of the text and two typefaces, Now and Daydream. Add a hollow effect on Open to add some variety. Oh, and do subscribe to the channel for more of similar design tutorials and press the bell icon to stay updated. Rotate this to about 15 degrees. Now let's add the timings, address, and an opening offer. Finally, I'm going to add background behind this text. So add a rectangle with a color gradient going from black to the dark brown and back to black. And that's it. Let's look at the final design. A big thanks for watching the full video. If you found this useful, please give it a like or drop a comment. That's it for today. Until next time, take care.